Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to my live stream, my dear lovely and sweet friend. So कैसे हो आप सब लोग? So मैं आ गया हूँ एक प्रोजेक्ट लेकर जिसके नाम है ICNT. ओके. सो मैं ICNT के बारे में मैं बात करूँगा. मेरा साथ देने का कोशिश करना, मेरा साथ देने का कोशिश करना और देखते रहना इसके बारे में. और जो भी सवाल आपके मन में आती है ज़रूर मुझे पूछ भी सकती हो. मैं आपका हर सवाल का भी आंसर देने की मैं कोशिश ज़रूर करूँगा. इसके बारे में ज़रूर कोशिश करूँगा. सो ऑलरेडी आप यहाँ पे देख पा रही हो. Impossible Cloud Network ICNT even bundle CANDYDROP Alpha LAUNCHPOOL Simple Earn. So एक चीज़ के अंदर सभी की चीज़ ही है. And now Gate will launch ICNT Spot Trading on July 3, 2025 at 10 UTC to reward platform user LaunchPool Alpha, CandyDrop and Simple Earn. Okay. So, will list Impossible Cloud Network ICNT according to the timeline below. Join and experience the benefit. मेरा नेटवर्क थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, थोड़ा इंतज़ार करना. ओके, अब ठीक हो गया है. So now CandyDrop. So CandyDrop is Gates' airdrop platform. It is partnering with Impossible Cloud Network ICNT to host an airdrop event. User can participate in ICNT trading to share a super airdrop of 280,000 ICNT. Okay. And then event period July 3, 2025, 13:10 to July 12, 2025 and 13 UTC. Okay, and join now. Already I joined this page. First of all, I read the whole page and then I click the joining page. Okay, so Alpha, get Alpha third point carnival issues. 1 trade to share 140,000 ICNT and Alpha points. And then LaunchPool, ICNT LaunchPool will start mining on July 3 stake BTC ETH or ICNT to earn 440,000 ICNT with rewards distributed hourly. Okay, and then join now. And then Simple Earn. So Get Simple Earn will launch at ICNT 7 days fixed term product on July 4, 2025, offering a 150% APR, only 1.2 million ICNT available. First come, first serve. And join now also. और मेरा लाइव पे ज्वाइन हुआ एंजल आई. थैंक यू सो मच एंजल आई फॉर कमिंग माई लाइव स्ट्रीम. नो टाइम एंड मेनी मोर गेट यूजर lead on. And okay, thank you so much everyone for joining me, or thank you so much for coming my live stream. So about Impossible Cloud Network token ICNT. ICNT is the native token of Impossible Cloud Network ICN, an open permissionless and composable cloud ecosystem built to replace legacy platforms like AWS with decentralized enterprise grade storage, compute, and bandwidth. The recent investment by Helium. Beck, Baker and GP Capital plays ICNT at a fully diluted valuation FDV of 470 million. The ecosystem is operational and correctly generates over 7 million in APR. Thought service delivered and 1000 plus enterprise client, reflecting a 2000% year over year growth. It's amazing. Storage across Europe and the US with 250p B plus in the global pipeline with 250,000 plus community members and 2000 again 29,000 plus nodes across 140 countries. ICNT is setting the standard for real scalable Web3 infrastructure backed by top investor including 1KX No Limit Holdings, Protocol Labs, and GP Capital, HB Capital, and more. और मेरा लाइव पे ज्वाइन हुआ रुतबा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर रुतबा कमिंग माई लाइव स्ट्रीम. Lead on. Thanks a lot for sending red packet. Thank you so much. And Skyfall, Vulcan C, Playful, MZ, okay, Ayla Shinex, Order. Thank you so much everyone for supporting me. Thank you so much everyone for coming my live stream. Thank you so much. And right now I talk about that impossible cloud network ICNT. So now I'm going to ICNT, okay, CANDYDROP. ICNT is native token, impossible cloud network, ICNT. And this is our launch pool, okay, and this is our simple earn, okay. And now I'm going to website. These are white paper, right? But okay, all over this area everyone, you also see that. Okay, so now I'm going to official ICN official website. This is our ICNT official website. So everyone just focus on my live stream. The AI cloud, infinite storage and compute at light speed. So the decentralized cloud offering next gen AI and Web3 already delivering 7 million plus in APR, 1000 plus enterprise client, powering 80 PB plus of active storage and backed by top tier BCS at 470 million FDB. And then Web3 category leader, 1 trillion cloud market, and deep product integration 10 billion, and hyperscale performance 23,000 TPS, and stake ICNT, okay. And then mainnet is live. The decentralized internet is closer than ever, okay, and more than just a white paper live proven ICNT. So we are already live. This not a white paper only project. Real client, real revenue, real infrastructure and configure. AI need storage before compute. We are building the data layer powering AI, cloud and beyond. And then VC network. So 1kx, no limit holdness, protocol labs, HB Capital, L'Oreal Capital, NGP Capital, CoinX, LVBUVC, TS Ventures, 34 million ecosystem funding from leading BCS and the node sale. The first permissionless, composable, truly open cloud. No more restriction. ICN allows anyone to leverage decentralized service that are possible, and permission is free from corporate control and owned by everyone, owned by the people. So ICN is decentralized cloud free from corporates control, built for AI, gaming and next gen application. So run it, build it, own it. Anyone can run a hypernode to help ensure ICN ecosystem integrity, powering a global cloud network, open, scalable, and secure. And then the future is already here. ICNT is live, growing, and ready for mass adoption. A better cloud start today. And then how it work. ICN architecture is based on three layers. Builders, the protocol with hypernodes and hardware providers. This decentralized and open architecture ensure that next evolution of the cloud with better scalability, with composing performance compared to traditional cloud. And then application layer. And then application layer, builders leverage INC and decentralized architecture to design and deliver innovative cloud product. They use our platform to create cutting edge service tailored to their customers' needs. और मेरे लाइफ पे ज्वाइन हुआ है बिगिनर 888 लॉन्ग टर्म लेटर यू कैन आई कैन सी यू माई ब्रदर थैंक यू सो मच Panda Creep, thank you so much for coming my another live. Thank you so much. Kitema, thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much. And now ICN protocol hypernode. So ICN protocol. Our protocol ICNP pulls heterogeneous hardware into the network, ensuring high performance and reliability levels and competitive pricing and service. As the foundation is introducing new cloud primitives. Okay, and then resource hardware layer. So hardware providers are essentials to ICN robustness and scalability. They participate in a transparent marketplace, receiving reliable compensation and incentives to deliver on tier service quality. And CML 1978, don't click this link everyone, don't click this link. I also block her. Okay, and now Real B, thank you so much for coming my live stream. Bullet 1123333, Dharma Singh, thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. और इस तरह से जो बंदे मुझे लिंक भेजता है उसको मैं ब्लॉक कर दूंगा, समझ गए हो आप? ये पूरी की पूरी फिशिंग लिंक है जिसके लिए मैं रिमूव कर दिया हूँ ब्लॉग बनाने के बाद, सिर्फ आपके लिए. Or Skyfall, hi. Hello. How are you, my dear? And Arthur, Katima, again, thank you so much, everyone. And now, so resource hardware layer. Hardware providers are essential ICN, robustness and scalability. They participate in transparent marketplace, receiving reliable compensation and incentives to deliver top tier service quality. Okay. And our roadmap ICN is born version 0.1 ICN platform core protocol and fast user complete. And second, decentralization is scaling cloud service and leveraging external hardware providers. Okay, then Hibernode initial initiation onboarding community pioneers to help optimize Hibernode formation. And then Mainnet ICNT officially launches with first function functionality establishing an ecosystem. And then expanding ecosystem capabilities and new protocol functionality. And then full decentralization, full permissionless, composable, truly open cloud owned by everyone. And then ICN is born. Okay, I already read this. So now, frequently asked question: what is Impossible Cloud Network? So Impossible Cloud Network ICN is developing foundational layer for next gen internet, challenging the dominance of centralized tech giant. Okay, and unlike solid deepin project, ICN introduces fully open multi-services, permissionless and composable cloud trans infrastructure that intergen. Okay, that integrate storage, compute, and networking scale. So our enterprise spread and decentralized architecture ensure high performance, security, and censorship resistance. Services AI agent enterprise software and digital ecosystem. Okay. So then, how does it work? Impossible Cloud Network ICN is developing the foundational layer for the next gen internet, challenging the dominance of centralized tech giants and unlike solid Dapid project. So ICN introduces fully open multi-services and permissionless and composable and DAO infrastructure that integrates storage, computer network scale of enterprise and get decentralized architecture ensure high performance, security and censorship resistance. So making Web3 and seamless as Web2 with real world adoption and a programmatic approach to decentralization. ICN is positioned the foundational layer of So now everyone ICN tokens ICN this node is and secure a network of receive network. This architecture enables modular composable cloud service where enterprise and developers can be scalable without maybe singers and the entire design and deliver Web3 and decentralization with Web2 and AI agent enterprise software and digital economy. Okay. And then what is hypernode? A hypernode is a functional node type and secures and monitors the decentralized infrastructure of ICN. This node is ensure is scalar nodes which deliver cloud service like compute and storage between reliably, and they are rewarded for doing so as the protocol solves hypernodes will globally distribute, increasing fault tokens and decentralization. They are essential for linking Web3 compatibility with Web2 great performance, enabling a permissionless, high throughput ecosystem for enterprise and developers. Learn more about running Hypernode in our docs. So, what is Hypernode? A Hypernode is a foundational node type that secures that monitors the decentralized infrastructure of ICN. This ICN and this node is secure nodes which deliver cloud service like and storage behave reliably and they reward for doing so. As the protocol evolves, hyperledge will be globally distributed, increasing fault tokens decentralization. They are essential for linking Web3 composability and grade 2 performance, sending performance high throughput ecosystem for enterprise. They will want learn more about running it hypernode in our docs. So what is a scalar node? So a scalar node is responsible for providing the actual resource like compute, storage and network. The power the network decentralized service wants the protocol full life scalable nodes which support enterprise grade application by delivering high performance cloud capabilities across the ICN ecosystem. It is a scalar node and backed up stake. Okay, and enabling decentralized scale and scale nodes allow contributors to offer real world hardware to the network and to be competent for forming the backbone. ICN composable deep in architecture. Learn more about running scalar node in our docs. Who can I participate and earn reward? So you can participate in Impossible Cloud Network ICN and earn reward by becoming part of decentralized infrastructure and either by running Hypernode or Scalar node or by staking ICN token to support the network. Running Hypernode help secure the protocol and monitor is scalar node is earning you reward for upholdings. Okay, and then what are the benefit of using ICN and compare it to existing service? Using Impossible Cloud Network, ICN offers several key advantages over traditional cloud service. It provides enterprise-grade performance with decentralized security and eliminating simple point of failure and reducing reliance on big tech monopolies. ICN cost effective in leveraging global hardware to deliver and high performance compute, storage, and networking at lower price at the same lower price and allows developers and developers and enterprise to build and custom solution without being locked into rigid infrastructure, unlike other deep in project that so Cellular recent ICT intergrace and so all about this here everyone. You also you can ask me any question. And now, what are benefits of using ICT computer protection? Okay, already I read this. And now, how is data security addressed in the ICN? So, data security in the Impossible Cloud Network ICN address thought multi-layer approach at the foundational level. ICN decentralized architecture eliminates centralized control, reducing risks of single point of failure. And then additionally, user can implement advanced product level security features such identity and access management, a tailored protection based on their specific need. This combination decentralized governance weights and infrastructure and customizable security ensure that data on ICT remain security private and resilient. And then how to data security address ICN. So data security is an impossible cloud network ICN. Roman, assalamu alaikum. ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম, কি অবস্থা ভাই? কোনটা করতেছেন ভাই? আমি উল্টাপাল্টা করছি বুঝছেন, মানে মানে উল্টাপাল্টা টাইপের আর কি কইরা ফেলছি। আমার কাছে আমি সিরিয়াল মিরিয়াল মানি নাই, মানে সামনে যেটা এটা আগে করতেছি, পরে আবার মানে নিচেরটা সামনে করবো, আবার উপরেরটা মানে পরে করবো, মানে এরকম আর কি করতেছি। আজ এখনও লাইভ করি নাই। হ্যাঁ আমি দেখছি, আমি একটু আগেও ভাই আসছিলাম 1:30টার দিক দিয়ে, দেখি লাইভে আপনি নাই, 2টার পরেও দেখছি নাই। সমস্যা নাই, আজকে যে অবস্থা বৃষ্টি বৃষ্টি যে অবস্থা আজকে, তো আর জিমে আমাকে হইব আপনার যে অবস্থা ভাই, একদম পুরা বন্যা বন্যা। রিল্যাক্সে জিমে আইবেন, খাইছে খাইছে, বৃষ্টি বৃত্তি আইবেন নাকি ভাই? বাজে অবস্থা, চিন্তা ভাবনা করে দেখেন, যদি আহেন তাই তো নাইলেই ভালো। না না, ওকে ওকে গুড। হ্যাঁ ভাই, আমার দরকার নেই আজকে। আজকে প্রজেক্ট করেন, প্রজেক্ট এক কাজ করেন, আপনি লাইভটা করে আলান আগে, বিকাল তো আপনি বিকাল টাইমে ভাই লাইভটা করে ফেলেন, পরে সন্ধ্যার পরের থেকে অ্যাটলিস্ট আপনার 2টা বা 3টা করে ফেললেন, বা 2টা করে ফেললেন প্রজেক্ট, বাকি 2-3টা কালকে করেন, সমস্যা নেই, রিল্যাক্সে। মানে যেগুলো আর কি 9 তারিখ ওইগুলো আর কি আজকে করে ফেলেন, বাকিগুলো আর কি কালকে করেন, রিল্যাক্সে। আমিও ভাই এটাই করবো, আজকে করবো, এই যে এখন এটা করবো, আর বাকি 3টা না 4টা মনে আছে ওইটা আমি কালকে করবো, আজকে আর আমি ধরবই না, এইটাই আমার লাস্ট। শুধু লাইভ 5টায় অ্যানালাইসিসের পর প্রজেক্ট, হ্যাঁ এটাই ঠিক আছে, সুন্দর টাইমিং। 5টার থেকে অ্যানালাইস, এরপরের থেকে একটা 2টা বা 3টা কইরা নেবেন প্রজেক্ট, 2টা করলেই এনাফ, বাকি 3টা আসতে ধীরে দেরি আছে অনেক। আরেকটা দেখলাম নতুন দিল 15 তারিখে, টাইম দেরি আছে, আর আরেকটায় তো ধরেই নেই এখন পর্যন্ত, কী কমু। আর আমি ভাই আপনি ডাইলে মেসেজটা করলে আমি ওটা ঘুমাই যেতাম, আমি ভাই জিমাইতেছে, আমার প্রচুর লেভেলে ঘুম ধরতেছে। হ্যাঁ পাল, পালে দিছে, পালে পুরা লাড়াই দিছে পাল, 15 তারিখ। আমার ভিআইপি বলে কত দি ভাই এখন ইদানিং দেখছেন কত নাম দেয়, মানে আগে এত নামই আসলো না, ওদের লঞ্চ পুল থাকতো বা এয়ারড্রপ থাকতো, আর এখন মনে করেন মানে নামের ভাই শেষ নাই, কত কিছু নাম টাম দিয়ে থুয়ে দেয়, মানে সব আইনা লাইছে ভাই, সব মার্কেটিং লেভেল ভাই চরম লেভেলের। So now, how is data security addressed in the ICN? Data security in the Impossible Cloud Network (ICN) is addressed thought in multi-layered approach. And Roman ভাই ওকে, আচ্ছা ভাই আপনি পাঁচটাতে করবেন কে? আপনি পারলে আর একটু আগে করে নেন। আর যদি খাওয়া দাওয়া দেরি হয় সব কমপ্লিট করে তাহলে একবারই বল, একবার অ্যানালাইসিস কমপ্লিট কইরা তারপরে বাস শুরু করে দেন প্রজেক্ট, দুইটা তিনটা যা হয় একদম 10টা 11টা পর্যন্ত যা হয়, 11টা 12টা পর্যন্ত। আমার তো ভাই আজকে এই পর্যন্তই শেষ, আমি একেবারে 12টার সময় মনে করেন অ্যানালাইসিস করবো, এর আগ পর্যন্ত ওরে দিয়ে দিব, অন্তত ওই দুইটা করুক, অ্যাটলিস্ট দুইটা করলেই হইব, দুইটা করতে পারলে পরে হয়ে যাবো। সো অ্যান্ড দেন using Impossible Cloud and ICT offer and several key advantage and over traditional cloud service. It provides enterprise grade performance with decentralized security, eliminating single point for failure and reducing reliance on big tech monopolies. ICN is cost efficient, leveraging global hardware to deliver high performance compute, storage, and networking at lower prices. Its modular, composable architecture allows developers and enterprise to build custom solutions without being locked into wriggling infrastructure. Unlike other DePIN projects that silo services, ICN integrates all core cloud function in unified protocol and ensuring seamless scalability and censorship resistance and full user sovereignty right and network power on Web3 with the usability of Web2. And now, how is data security addressed in the ICN? Data security in the Impossible Cloud Network (ICN) and address thought in multi-layer approach at the foundational level. ICN decentralized architecture eliminated centralized control, reducing the risk of single points of failure or corporate misuse. All hardware providers and carefully bidden at must operate enterprise-grade infrastructure houses in certified data center (e.g. ISO/SOC), ensuring robust and complete physical security layer. And additionally, user can implement advanced product level security features such as identity and access management to tailor protection based on their specific needs. This combination decentralized governance, weighted infrastructure, and customized security ensure that data on ICN remain secure, private, and resilient. So, how to breach ICNT? To breach ICNT, you need to use and bring a solution the Super Breach app. Once there, connect your wallet, select ICNT as the token to breach, enter the desired amount, and then review and confirm the transaction. Bringing ICNT from Ethereum to base is necessary to use the token is the ICNT protocol. A 3-minute waiting period is typically expected for the tokens to arrive on base. A more detailed explanation can be found in an extensive article in our blog section. So, how to stake ICNT? To stake ICNT fast, acquire ICNT from exchange like Uniswap on base. Find alternative CEXs here. So ICN.global fresh exchange. Then go to console ICN.global and connect your wallet. Click stake. Select ICNT as the asset to stake. Choose a scalar node and specify in amount and lock period for your stake. The amount stake and the lock period will influence your reward. Finally, confirm the transaction lock and stake your ICNT. A more details explanation can be found in a extensive article in our blog section. So then, how to stake ICNL, ICN link. To stake ICNN, navigate to the ICN console at console.icn.global and connect your wallet. Once connected, go to your wallet page. Scroll to the ICN link. Tap under NFTs most likely. Select the ICNL you wish to stake and click stake. You will then choose whether to stake to a hyper node, a scalar node. Select the specific okay specific node and confirm the transaction. A more detailed explanation can be found in extensive article in our blog section. So then, how to manage my stake and assets. You can manage all your assets and stake position from the unified wallet page within the ICN console. Here you can view your liquid ICNT balance, track stake, locked and unlocked ICNT, and see your own ICN link. The stake position tab display all your active stake, allowing you to view, manage and claim rewards. You can also toggle between stake the unstake ICN link in the ICN links tab. A more detailed explanation can be found in an extensive article in our blog section. And then, how does ICNT staking work? ICNT staking involves locking ICNT into the ICN ecosystem to support and secure the decentralized cloud network, primarily by supporting scalar nodes. When staking, you select a scalar node, input the amount, and choose a lock period ranging from 1 day to 48 months. Longer lock period of higher earning rates due to increased commitment to the network. While ICNT is locked, cannot be removable from the system, but you can freely unstack and restake it to different nodes. Rewards are earned only when the ICNT is staked and after the lock period expires. You can withdraw your ICNT back to liquid state. A more detailed explanation can be found in an extensive article in our doc section. और मेरा लाइफ पे ज्वाइन हुआ है बहुत सारे बंदे जिसके भी नाम मैं अभी भी नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ, लेकिन आप सभी को दिल से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया है. प्रॉफिट इंजॉयर, बिगिनर रेटेड, फैमिलिया 54, इंजीनियर, मेनी मोर, गेट यूजर, ब्लोनेट, नो टाइम, आर्थर, ऑर्डर. Thank you so much everyone. Rutoba, thank you so much everyone for supporting me. Thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream. So now ICN decentralized the network, run a node, contribute to the network and break free from big tech. Just wait everyone, I'm back in 1 minute. So now everyone, I'm back. So enter the app. You also click and open this app. Okay, and now first of all I read my whole page. This app's whole page. Okay, not my page. And then so ICE and protocol overview. Learn more about ICN protocol ecosystem that run the internet infrastructure. So ICN built the first composable, permissionless, and truly open cloud ecosystem. All of this without compromising performance. Put simply, the code of the future. Good protocol overview. So ICN protocol is a global network of interconnected nodes, enabling a secure and robust cloud ecosystem. Hypernodes guard our hardware, nodes thought, decentralized capability check, ensuring a safe, permissionless infrastructure for the future internet. And running hypernode become part of the network. By operating a hypernode, contribute your computing resources to protect the decentralized cloud layer. And then number one, get the node, download and set up your ICN node in minute. Submit. Okay. And number two, connect to the network, start running your node state, set up your resource limit, start earning rewards by participating, coming soon. And number three, guard the network. Your hypernode now secures a Web3 centric cloud. Hardware nodes will be checked and verified by you to keep ICN protocol safe. Okay. So providing hardware extended ICN network capabilities by committing your resource to the open cloud and becoming a hardware provider in any one of our constellations. Number one, obtain hardware and setup, and number two, add your hardware to ICN, register your hardware node to constellation on chain and explore the ICN ecosystem. And then number three, contribute and earn rewards. Your hardware is a valuable resource and you will earn based on its usage and capabilities. Okay, everyone. So now, unlocking the future, powering the next era of innovation, build AI agent, self-sovereign identity and scalable blockchain network with full control over your data, break free from centralized limitations and sharp the future on your terms. Okay. And then self sovereign identity solution. Solve sovereign identity solution, self-owned data, personal AI companions, AI agents, validation system, layer 1 blockchain, and your use case here. So now decentralized the network. And then community. Okay, so the ICN protocol trips on community engagement, essential for refining technology. So the ICN protocol thrives on community engagement, initial for refining technology, growing the ecosystem, and adapting to the decentralized cloud needs. Okay, and then community initiatives अर्बन लाइफ पे ज्वाइन हुआ है ओपोस स्काईफॉल अताउल्ला फ्रेडी लिंग गेट यूजर मिस्टर बिट बॉय थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम or thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much everyone, and also share my live stream everyone. You can share my live stream. So events, join our monthly event to connect with like-minded individuals, and Discord community, join access to exclusive channels, and the ability to influence key decisions, the becoming part of our dedicated Discord community. So now, community events. Stay engaged with the ICN Community Thought Hour 2024 events calendar, featuring a lineup of upcoming and past events designed to foster networking, learning, and collaboration. See all event. So upcoming event, stay informed about our latest grant opportunities and event. So Conscious Toronto, okay, Proof of Talk, ETHCC, all over this year, post event. Okay, stay informed about our latest giant and opportunities and event. Okay, Paris Blockchain Week, Token 2049 Dubai, CoinDig, Consensus HK, ETH Denver, DevCon 2024, Depin Dev Web Summit, Token 2041 Singapore, ETHCC Brussels, Consonance 2024 Texas, Depin Dev Berlin, many more. Okay, and then powering innovation with our partners. I see, and collaborate with forward thinking companies to deliver decentralized solution worldwide. And Hiba, thank you so much Hiba for coming my live stream. Thank you so much, and welcome to my live stream Hiba. And Fan Dodo, Gate User, many more Gate User, Medias and Rafi. Thank you so much everyone. Cool Coins, thank you so much everyone for supporting me. Thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream. And this is our partner company, this right, Accurate and Ether Autonomy Base Beacon Protocol, Custer Protocol, Descent, Depin Newton, Hyperbyte, many more, many more. You also see that. And now research report, unlock the power of decentralized network, scale with your needs, offering performance, reliability, and affordability without compromise. So navigating depend nodes, a guide to types and operators. So Nodes are the block backbone of decentralized network, powering everything from bitcoins, validators to infrastructure of decentralized physical infrastructure network DEPIN. The details 31st page report explores the important role of nodes in systems like computing, cryptocurrency, and DePIN. In explain how nodes are used, such as validating transaction in cryptocurrency and providing services in DePIN. The report also covers different types of DePIN nodes and the ICN ecosystem it features. Insight from expert helps you understand nodes, sales, and highest opportunities in decentralized network. मेरा लाइव पे ज्वाइन हुआ है Alauno, thank you so much. Insert coin again, thank you so much for coming my live stream and also supporting me. Our happiness, thank you so much. And beginner triple eight, thank you so much. And many more good user, thank you so much everyone. And now foundation. The ICT protocol powered by decentralized cloud infrastructure seamlessly, combining blockchain technology with traditional cloud service to deliver secure, scalable, and efficient global solution. So then, long-term mission. Our long-term mission is to revolutionize the cloud industry by fostering an open, secure, and decentralized cloud environment that encourage innovation and scalability. We aim to empower business and individuals worldwide by providing equitable access to high quality cloud services. So, thought ongoing community engagement and development ICT strategies to set new standard and in the cloud computing realm, marketing advanced technology is accessible to all. So meet foundation team Kai Wargenik and Sebastian Piffier. Okay, this is our ICNT team. And now node operator. So hypernode network. Hypernode are pivotal element of our ecosystem by verifying hardware performance such as availability. Anyone can run these nodes and support is readily available from our community. And then I read this. And then hardware providers. So hardware providers contribute to the decentralization of the cloud and earn reliable and consistent revenue stream in line with the growth of the network. Joint participate earn. ICN is fueled by real world demand from the cloud industry. Our incentives program for hardware providers is clear and straightforward, designed to directly correlate your reward with the expansion of our cloud network. So as ICN growth, so do your opportunities for increased reward, and then get rewarded fairly. Your contributions to the network aren't just essential, they are value. We ensure you are compa- compensate, compensated fairly according to the specific capacities, performance, metrics, and utilization of the hardware you contributes. Increase your participation. As ICN grow, so does the potential for contributes. A more vibrant ecosystem lead to more builders lending more hardware, allowing you to grow your hardware and contributions potential, and then explore and accelerate. Leverage the power of ICN to unlock new reward opportunities. So joint growth opportunities with services providers, diversify your business portfolio and maximize your hardware. So now frequency asked question, I already read this, and now hardware provider, I read this, and now builders. So builders, join ICN as a builder to leverage our decentralized infrastructure and enabling highly scalable and performant infrastructure solution without the capex needs. And how to work? Step 1, get familiar with the ecosystem capabilities and the specific requirement for deploying your service. And step 2, secure the necessary hardware resources on the network by leveraging the IC and booking system. And step 3, ICN will allocate the highest performing hardware for your needs automatically after payment. And number 4, leverage the ecosystem and its market access tooling, enabling you with provide go to market enabling. So now provide advantage. So ICN is built for cloud services for enterprise customers. Its core, having successfully started and scaled with a B2B oriented solution. Our architecture has provided its ability to help scale any cloud service with enterprise grade service quality. So now, infinity is scalability. For the first time, you have the ability to outcompete any traditional cloud provider without any capex requirement. Simply leverage IC and fully scalable. Global enterprise grade hardware network, okay, and then no compromise. The composable and permissionless architecture facilitates a wide variety of user case for AI agents in prediction modeling or object storage. The connecting hardware is high performant and fully enterprise grade. And then establish GTM channel. New builders joining our open ecosystem can benefit from the experience of our first cloud provider who has already scaled to multi-million dollar recurring revenue within a month of onboarding. So now ICN architecture insight. So a new era for Web3 infrastructure ICN vision insight from the product league. So you, the community, have been energetically awaiting of overview of the ICN protocol, and we are thrilled to deliver our protocol design lead. Chris recently sat down. Okay, all over this everyone. And now I'm going to docs. So the ICN white paper offers a details, technical and strategic overview of the impossible cloud network and outlines the architecture core components, conscious building a permission, okay, consumable and scalable, okay, all over this here everyone. And then just wait everyone. And light paper discover the future of cloud technology with impossible cloud network ICN. Our comprehensive lightware provide okay. It's my net problem, okay. Anyway, I already closed in my live stream. So I'm back in my front page, okay everyone. Then I finish and close my this project, and then again and back in next project. मैं समय निकालूंगा यहाँ पर, तो फिर मैं और भी एक प्रोजेक्ट लेकर यहाँ पे कोशिश करूँगा, लेकिन ये टाइम पर नहीं है. Okay, 5 hours and 5 to 6 hours later I am again back in my live. Okay, so now impossible cloud network ICNT event bundle CANDYDROP alpha launch pool simple earn gateway launch. ICNT is porting on July 3 2025 and 10 UTC to reward platform user. Launch pool alpha CANDYDROP and simple earn will list impossible cloud network ICNT according to the timeline video. Join now and experience the benefits. So CANDYDROP is get airdrop platform. It is now participating with impossible cloud network ICNT to host an airdrop event. User can participate in ICNT traditional to share a super airdrop. And then alpha. So get alpha third point carnival issue 1 trade to share 1,40,000 ICD and alpha points. And then launch pool ICNT launch pool will start mining on July, okay. And then simple earn get simple earn will launch an ICNT 7-day fixed term product on July 4 2025 offering 150% 150% APR, only 1.2 million ICNT available, first come first serve. And then join now. And about impossible cloud network token ICNT. So ICNT is the native token of impossible cloud network ICN, an open permissionless and composable cloud ecosystem built to replace legacy platform like AWS with decentralized enterprise grade storage, compute and bandwidth. The recent investment by Helium, so Becker NGP capital place ICN at a fully delegated validated FM, okay. So now I'm checking my time and then closing my live stream. Okay. So everyone, thank you so much everyone for supporting me. Thank you so much for stay in long term in my live stream. So thank you so much everyone. So goodbye, see you again next project or next live. Just wait for, okay, टुडे मैं और दोनों की लाइव करूँगा, एक प्रोजेक्ट भी और हो सके तो एनालिसिस भी करूँगा. सो गुड बाय, टेक केयर योरसेल्फ एवरीवन, ओके.